guys! Magandang hapon. Nakakuha ko ng hair. Ay, kaya naman. 1 million? 1 month hair. Nakakuha ko. And I'm so happy. I've included. At syempre, after that, meron akong kasama. O, di ba? The newest nurse, clinical instructor, RMR. Congratulations! She's a nurse also. At amin kong kasama, ang aming kaibigan. Oh, ha? Oh, yung inom talaga. So guys, nandito kami sa may bandang Pasay City. At kumakain lang po kami ng merienda after the Mario po. Oh, after nung pila namin ng Pinunta City. I'm so happy at least we have money this Christmas, additional money. Not big, but at least, kaya mo ah. O, di ba?
Bilang tayo.
Oo, at least meron man. Yung bulsa namin yung nagpala, di ba?
Courtesy.
Ay naman to may vlog! Ay to may vlog! Okay guys, thank you so much. At kami ay patatapos sa uli na kami. Bye!
Bye everyone. Happy
Bye!
Christmas everyone. Enjoy.
Yeah.